What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another software engineering concept in Python, and in this video we are going to look at what the JSON module is in Python. So the JSON module is a built-in Python library that handles JSON data, enabling conversion between Python objects and JSON format. It's essential for data exchange between applications and web services, requiring no external dependencies. So what are some of the main functions of the JSON module? So we have the dumps, which converts Python objects to JSON strings and is useful for web services and text storage with customization options like indent and sort keys. So we have the loads, which actually passes JSON strings into Python objects, converts JSON data types to Python equivalents, which when receiving from APIs or reading storage. We also have the dump without the S, which writes Python objects directly to JSON files. This saves structured data to disk without intermediate conversion, with same formatting options as the dumps. Last but not the least, we have the load without the S, where it reads JSON files and converts contents to Python objects without requiring manual string handling. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share for more.